Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics, taking a look at our segment addition postulate today, which the segment addition postulate just states that if you add up the parts of a segment, take the sum of the pieces, it will equal the whole. All right, so in this case, we're saying that segment there AB plus segment BC, those measurements, or the distances there, is going to equal the whole distance of AC. Now, all you got to do here is substitute in what you do know and solve. So AB is 5x plus 3, BC is 2x minus 7, and the whole distance AC is 59. So solving for x, combine your like terms, isolate your variable, get the lead coefficient down to 1, and you'll see that x is equal to 9. That's all there is to it. So got a couple more here for you to try, get your energy back into a peak state, and here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.